So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand policies, then you want to expand Microsoft. I'm just going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand Windows. And now you want to expand Windows Update. If you do not have Windows Update, then you want to right click on Windows and then click on New and then click on Key. And you want to call this key Windows Update. Spell it the same way with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on Enter. And now you want to right click on Windows Update and then click on New and then click on Key again. You want to call this key AU and then click on Enter. And now you want to click on the AU folder. Again, you can follow all of this up here. Now once you're in the AU folder, you now want to right click on a blank space and then click on New and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this use WU server. Again, same capitals and lowercase as I used and then click on Enter. Now you want to double click on use WU server. Make sure that in this box right here in the validator box you have the number 0. And if it's like number 1, number 2, something else, delete that and then type in 0 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. Double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then once you're on this, you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888. And you want to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. And then once troubleshooting has been completed, if it detects anything, it will now fix it for you. And then once you complete all these steps, your problem should now be fixed. However, if it's still not fixed, just restart your computer. And now your problem should be fixed.